Hello everyone, myself Mani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the red blood cell pipette. What is the RBC pipette? Just like the white cell pipette, it consists of graduated capillary pipette or be having a volume of 1 unit with the calibrated marking at zero point 0.1 unit. Above the capillary tube is a mixing bulb containing a red glass bead. Above the bulb is a capillary tube is a mixing bulb containing a red glass bead. Above the bulb is a capillary tube with mark 101. The bulb has a volume of 100 units. In making a red cell count, blood is drawn up to 0.5 mark and the diluting fluid to the 101 mark. Since the last diluting fluid in the capillary stem does not mix with the blood in the bulb, it does not take part in the dilution and is therefore discarded before the count is made. The actual dilution then is 0.5 to 100 or 1 to 200 if every low counts are suspected as in anemia. The may be drawn to the 1 mark, thus giving a 1 to 100. There is insufficient blood to the reach 0.5 mark. The sample be taken at any mark below. For the increased dilution, hemoglobin tube, that is next glassware Sahalis tube, which I have red and yellow scales on the two sides. Red scales is percentage scale and yellow scale is the gram percentage or gram 100 meter scale. Hemometer, which is having the two standards Sahalis pipette, is equal to the 14.5 gram 20 centimeters 0.02 ml. Next is the hemoglobin pipette. What is the HB pipette? It is a cylinder special pipette with a single mark 20 COMM. It is used for the quantitative estimation of hemoglobin in blood capacity 20 microliter while white blue graduation. Next is the hemoglobin pipette. There are the hemoglobin pipettes. It is also known as the HB pipette. Hemoglobin pipette, HB pipette, it is a cylinder special pipette with a single mark of the 20. It is used for the quantitative estimation of hemoglobin in the blood. Capacity is the 20 microliter white, black, blue graduation. Hematological gram glassware needs special precautions. Do not use the detergent because if there is a minute concentration that may lead to the RBC hemolysis. So for the general tubes, pipettes and slides, wash these thoroughly under tap water. Can use a brush to remove any leftover from the glassware. Keep the hematology used material in the dichromate solution for 12 to 24 hours. Then again wash thoroughly with tap water. Allow the draining dry in the hot oven. In today's class, I discuss about the red blood cell pipette, hemoglobin tube and hemoglobin pipette. Thank you.